In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the menu bar in Google Slides in a quick one-step process. This might seem like a small trick, but it can be incredibly useful if you're striving for a clutter-free view while working on your presentation. So let's dive right in and streamline your Google Slides experience. To start, let's make sure we're all on the same page by opening up Google Slides. If you haven't done so already, go to the Google Slides website. You can find it easily by entering Google Slides into your preferred search engine or by typing docs.google.com presentation right into the address bar of your web browser. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your Google account. This step is crucial because it gives you access to all your saved presentations and allows you to create new ones. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to do that now by entering your credentials. Now that you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Google Slides homepage. Here you have a couple of options. You can either open an existing presentation, or if you're starting fresh, you can select the blank presentation option. Alternatively, there are a variety of ready-made templates available that you might want to explore if you're in need of some design inspiration or if you need to hit the ground running with your project. Choose whichever option best suits your needs. Alright, with your chosen presentation open, let's move on to the key action of today's task. One of the simplest ways to free up some visual space and help you focus on your presentation content is to hide the menu bar. This is especially beneficial if you're working on a smaller screen or if you just prefer a minimalistic workspace. To accomplish this, simply click on View in the menu at the top, then select Hide Menus from the drop-down. Alternatively, if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, you can achieve the same result by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and F simultaneously on your keyboard. And just like that, the menu bar disappears, leaving you with a clean and uncluttered view of your slides. If at any point you want to bring the menu back, you can easily do so by either clicking on the small arrow icon that appears where your menu used to be, or by using the same Ctrl, Shift, and F keyboard shortcut. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to optimize your workspace in Google Slides. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and now you can enjoy a tidier digital work area. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.